Hi, my name is Kai and today I'm going to show you how to merge two sorted lists. So the way you do it is that you build your own sorted list, which is going to be the output of the function. And you build it by comparing the heads or the beginnings of the two sorted lists that you're given. So we're going to need the head for returning the list and also a current node to which we're going to append the nodes we compare. Let's start building this new list, and we need a while loop to loop over the nodes in the two sorted lists that we're given. And this loop is gonna loop over until either of those lists are finished. Okay. Now let's compare the values, and we're looking for the smallest one, right? So value of first list and the second list. Right, if the value in the first list is smaller, that means that we want to append this node to our current node where we're building this list, right? Okay, so this, and we also want to update this first list. Cool. Otherwise, we just do the same thing, but with the other list. So let's append the node in the second list and also update the list itself. Bam. Okay, once it's done, the only thing left is to update the list that we're building. Right, so when this loop is done, there are two options. Either the first sorted list is done, this finished, there's no nodes left, in which case it means that to our sorted list for the output we need to append the second one because there are still some nodes left. Other option is that the second list is done, there are no nodes left, so we just need to append the first list to our current list that we're building. Okay, so at this point we can return the head, and that's it. Let's submit. Awesome, this run was successful. So let's do a quick complexity analysis. So before appending either of those nodes to the output list, you need to do one comparison between the values, right? So this algorithm is linear and it runs in big O notation of n when n is the length of this list. That's how you merge two sorted lists. Thank you.